Monitor and manual are included in one paper box. To install the monitor, please prepare flat screwdriver and screws. Before installation, if you prefer, you can check whether the CO2 monitor functions well after long traffic vibration. Prepare a 5-volt USB adapter and a Type-C to USB cable to do accuracy test. Simply power on the monitor and leave the monitor closed to open window for 20 minutes to see if the measured CO2 is between 350 to 450 ppm. If the measured CO2 is out of the tolerance range, follow up the procedures in below calibration section to improve the accuracy. Please calibrate meter in sunny day with good fresh airflow where CO2 level is around 400 ppm. Don't calibrate it in places crowded with people or close to high CO2 exhausting, such as outlet or fireplaces. Using a flat screwdriver, press in the two securing clips at the bottom of the monitoring housing, whilst easing it away from the mounting plate from the bottom. Use flat screwdriver to push the number 7 dip switch to on position. Leave the monitor closed to open window for 20 minutes. Now power up the monitor via 5-volt USB Type-C cable. A 300 seconds countdown appears to indicate the calibration is in process. Keep distance from the monitor to avoid the exhaled CO2 affect the calibration result. After 5 minutes countdown, SA appears on display to indicate the calibration is saved. Remove the power supply and push the number 7 dip switch back to off position to end the calibration. Do not do the calibration in unknown CO2 condition. Otherwise it will be taken as 400 ppm and leads to inaccurate result. The monitor allows adjustments to customize it suitable for all requirement. Please do the required adjustment before installation. The adjustable parameters are yellow LED threshold, red LED threshold, temperature unit and buzzer on or off. These settings are also detailed on the PCB. The default is light bar turns into yellow while CO2 is more than 700 ppm and turn into red while CO2 is over 1000 ppm, temperature unit is degree C, buzzer is off. To change the setting, use flat screwdriver to adjust the dip switch. For example, here we show you how to change the yellow threshold to 800 ppm, red threshold to 1200 ppm, temperature to degree F and buzzer to on. The required number of CO2 meter is dependent upon several factors. However, as a basic rule, you can use the length of longest wall in the room divide 6 to get an estimate. The suggested installation height for bedroom, classroom or office environment is 1.4 to 1.6 meters counted from the floor. Keep a distance around 15 centimeters from wall or curtain to keep good ventilation. Also spare a distance about 1 meter from bed head while installing in bedroom. This device must be connected to switched connection unit fitted with a 5A fuse that is accessible by the user. The cable used for installation should be solid core with a cross-sectional area greater than 1 mm square. Terminate the mains supply cables into the terminals in the mounting plate. L is permanent live. N is neutral. E is earth. Screw the mounting plate into position, onto the back box. Offer the monitor up to the mounting plate top first and clip into place. This monitor should be protected from dust ingress during all building works. While utility power is not available, this monitor can be powered up by 5 volts through USB Type-C cable. Light bar is green while the reading is below 700 ppm. It turns into yellow while CO2 is more than 700 ppm and turn into red while CO2 is over 1000 ppm. While the buzzer feature is turned on, short press button to mute the beeper. The LCD brightness is also adjustable. Pressing the button longer time to enter the brightness adjustment. There are 3 grades to choose. Short press to change. Long pressing button again to escape and save the brightness setting. This CO2 monitor provides you real-time value and 24 hours statistical log data. Short press the touch button to display 8-hour average, 24-hour average and 24-hour highest and back to the current level. Thank you for watching. To know more about our product, welcome to contact us.